Hey fellas, so now I am back with another video, and in this video, let me tell you about a new sport that I don't follow, but it is interesting. In Olympic, I sometimes watch when I was younger. I used to watch it. It is good, but in normal time like outside of Olympic here it gets no attention, at least not on TV, and like there is very little coverage. I can never recall a time when I saw any um, articles or coverage in newspaper or television outside of Olympics, and even then it is not one of the main sports in Olympics. But it has been there every time since I can remember. So now let me tell you guys what I am talking about. And if you watch my last video, you might have some idea what I am talking about. So now let me tell you what I am talking about. Okay, guys. So what I am talking about is track cycling, or cycling and track cycling cycling in general and track cycling in particular. I'm not talking about road racing, because that is a different sport altogether with some similarities. But now let us focus on track cycling. So I don't know much about this sport, so I was curious because the athletes, they have very big legs, and also they ride a fixed wheel bicycle. And there is one word that I heard many times in past when I used to watch on Olympic Games, called repo charge. So I wanted to know what a repo charge meant. So I went into YouTube and I searched. So repo charge is a different. I mean, it is not an event. I thought it was some kind of event, but it is not an event. It is like a form of elimination format that I have to still look up more carefully. But then I discovered track cycling has so many different events or disciplines, you can say, and it is really interesting. So some of those events are like a individual time trial, and Kieran, and medicine, and omnium. There's so many different and team time trial and sprint races, and it involves so much practice and tactics and a lot of talent. It is like superhuman level of skill is required to ride those bicycles, because they are a fixed wheel bicycle, and they ride in a circle in a track which is so high, so steep in corners. If you try to walk, you will probably fall down because of the banking. It is very steep. So yes, so I don't I'm still curious, and I am watching more videos. But one channel I found, let me tell you the name of the channel, guys. So let me tell you what that channel is called. It is called Global Cycling Network. It is I think a British channel, and they have many videos related to track cycling. And those bicycles are also different from a normal everyday cycle that you see on roads, and people who ride in a road or in a trail, off-road cycling. So these bicycles are different. They are a fixed wheel. Now if you do not know what a fixed wheel is, I know what a fixed wheel is. It is like you cannot stop pedaling. Like when you going downhill in a normal cycle, you can stop pedaling and the wheels will turn on their own, and then you can relax, give some rest to your tired legs. But in a fixed wheel, you cannot stop cycling, whether you are going downhill or pedaling. I mean, whether you are going downhill or uphill. So you have to keep pedaling, and there are no brakes in track cycling. you have to control the bicycle and slow down your pedaling until you stop. So it is very tough and requires a lot of skill. And and those athletes or cyclists, you can say, they have a very strong legs, especially their thighs are very huge. So check out the Global Cycling Network and watch some videos and share your favorite videos in comments below so I can also watch. And if I find more information about those individual events or those people who cycle about stars, then I will share with you. But this sport I think needs more coverage and more mainstream media coverage, and it needs more stars because it is very good sport from what I can make out so far. So check that out, and then I will make some more videos later. I was looking at Formula 1 results for 2024 and Formula 1. I've been watching many years. It is fine, but it is less about skill, it seems, and more about cars and engine and engineering. So I will cover that in a different topic. But cycling is very interesting. I am going to watch some more videos. Maybe I will not watch any movie today. I will just watch videos about cycling and other interesting topics, and I will share with you. Okay, guys. So in the meantime, you watch this video, you watch cycling video, and like my channel and subscribe. And I will make more videos for you later on. Okay, guys. So it is morning now. Good day, nice day. No breeze, but cloudy and a little bit cold. But fine, as long as there is no wind, it is okay. So I will make more videos later. Okay, guys. Have a good day. Have a blessed day, and enjoy. Be happy. Okay, guys. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, see you. Bye.